Unicorn Pictures presents a Kiki film. Rose. The daisies, they look better. It's so pretty out here. Sarah, you're really missing a great time out here. Look at all the... Oh, that poor flower. It's hurt. It's hurt very badly. I'll get some water. Here you are, little flower. Sarah! Sarah! Come on, it's time to go home. Wait. Look. I'm coming, Rose. Oh, look, what do you know? A flower. Rose, Bloop, 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 bloop. Rose! 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 Sarah, can you hear me? Rose! Shh. Let me see if I can get you untangled. Quick! Get the other hand, quick! Quick! Run, run! Gosh, that was some mistake, huh, Sarah? Sarah? Sarah! She's getting into mischief again. Sarah! She's really gone. Sarah! Run! Mother, I have to go. I love my sister. She's everything in the world to me. Yes, I'll be back soon. Well, goodbye. I'll come back soon. Bye. Well, here goes nothing. I hope we can fire this way. I didn't go last time.
Boom, 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 ba-dum, 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 ba-da-da-da, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum.
Did you say that?
I sure did, I sure did, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-da-da-bum, I sure did.
Stop. Can you tell me where I am?
Well, you're in the forest of no return, yes you are, yes you are. There is an evil queen, she's really, really mean, she turned me into stone, yes she did.
How do I get out of here?
Well, first you have to go over 7 deserts, 7 plains, and 7 oceans, and then you'll come to rain. And then you'll face many dangers, and you will be hangers, whatever that stupid word means. And that's all I can tell you.
Well, bye.
Bye.
For so many days and it's so cold. I wonder if I'll ever find my...
Dun, dun.
Where am I? Bessie, this is where Sarah went. Oh, excuse me. Can you help me? Well, can you?
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes.
Thank you. Well, did you see a little girl with blonde hair about that big with beautiful blue eyes?
I sure did. I sure did. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. I sure did.
Well, which way did she go?
She went that way. She went that way. And she
Wait a minute. Which way?
she right. She went right. She went right.
Thank you.
Ba-da,
Been so
ba-da.
much helpful. Goodbye.
Shin.
Rose, chasing me. Rose! Rose, help!
Rose,
Sarah, is that you?
I can help me, Rose.
Oh, Sarah! I'm coming, Sarah, I'm coming! I'm coming, Sarah, I'm coming! Rose, have you come to take me? Rose! 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 Help! Rose! Help!
I think we're home. Our home's just behind the bush. Honey, you got cut badly. What happened? What tree? Here, cover up. I'm so glad I found you. I went on an incredible journey to find you. You've got a fever. We'll go home in just a little while. For now, I think you should get some fresh air.
We hope
you
you
enjoyed
enjoyed our show presentation. Rose is a production of Daddies Incorporated.